race number 1. All set. And the race on purple ribbon from the outside, rushing up Camora Panama Princess. Moving up is Kidney's Magic, and rushing up is Jacqueline's Diamond. Panama King, Jacqueline's Diamond, Sunny Sabayorun, Kidney's Magic, and racing in fifth is Purple Ribbon. Moving up by the release entry number 7, Mr. Universe, and inside the last 750, Panama King, Mr. Universe is already outside by the rally, Sunny Sabayorun, Jacqueline's Diamond. Watch out! Here comes the super mega outstanding favorite, and this one is Purple Ribbon. Foxy's nose to grab the lead. It's now Purple Ribbon, Panama King, Sunny Sabayorun, Mr. Universe, Kidney's Magic, Jacqueline's Diamond. As they raise the last 350, Purple Ribbon by Alankina, Panama King, Sunny Sabayorun is running by the round, Mr. Universe, and nearing the finish line, the icebreaker, the horse of Mr. Alex Garces, Purple Ribbon, Sunny Sabayorun. Close among Kidney's Magic, Mr. Universe, and Panama King for your Pentafecta.